On top the many job opportunities wey Governor Godwin Obaseki they try create for the people wey dey Edo State to make sure say we youth them they dey employable than I be say they sabi work do. Now im make am carry put for ground the graduate internship scheme through the job platform wey e create for Edo State, the one wey they call the Edo Jobs. And e don do this one for Edo South before. Now e don carry am waka go Edo Central and Edo North. On top this many work, now im make Edo Jobs come Tanda gidigba, come dey give them their deployment letter, the one we go carry them go the office them where they will begin work. And this one it go on for a long time where they go give them stipends to take appreciate say they sabi this work. And this one go carry them waka go far on top job matter for Edo State and for the world. May we begin to see how this GIS matter I want to waka under Edo Jobs through Governor Godwin Obaseki administration for Edo State. My name na Nima Tiagumo and the Obonge program we una dey lis ten to so na Inside Edo.
This is the first set of people. By God's grace, as time goes on, more people are going to be brought in. A lot of organizations were even laid off because my colleagues, after the interview they had with you people, they had to go and screen the organization so that you don't just go and be dumped somewhere. Some people can come and say they would like to have 200 people. When you get there, it's just one room and one chair that they will have. We went around making sure that where you were going to are places that you will actually learn the reason for the internship scheme, not just anywhere. So behind this, you have a place to sign. You go through it and acknowledge this. This will be yours. This is for you. As I said before, this is for you. The organization, take the photocopy to them. They will acknowledge it for you. Bring that photocopy to us.
I thank the governor well for this opportunity when he give people to learn how to maybe better themselves so that they go get the experience when they need for them to get better job. At least this opportunity now when they give us to go work, it go show say at least those employers when they think say maybe graduates are not employable. By this opportunity that the governor give us, by the time we go work for there, at least for this period, they go see say these graduates get what they really need. Maybe an opportunity we never get to show them. So this opportunity now when governor give us now, at least I know say by the end of this internship, many of us go remain for this place when they send us go because we go don't show them say we really sabi work.
It could really help job matter because if you see many people when they come up for school since now they write application and they say they believe God for job opportunity. Say government bring this one come now, we thank God. At least it go open way for all of us as we they do and people go they see us even where we they work they go no say we're really serious for this job matter and those people organization too go still give us a kind of recommendation to other places here. So it's really going a long way of helping us.
First, I will first thank Edo State government for this program when they don't bring come our locality. So, and I believe say as we don't benefit for inside this program now, we will try our best to make sure say we work hard, not to feed the government for this better thing. Maybe say it don't give us. And with our evidence and our report we will give out after this event, I believe say it will open other doors for other programs to still come our community better.
Still on top the many worker to make sure say job Tanda gidigba put for Edo State and for all the corner the one with the Edo State. Now you make Edo Jobs waka with the waka with Edo State government to say make sure say job Tanda gidigba put for Edo State people. Now they carry the waka from Uromi Tanda gidigba put for Esako West local government area for Edo State than Edo North. To take go give deployment letter, give the people where they the area. The deployment letter where all these people can collect, the people where they under the graduate internship scheme where Edo State government put gidigba for grant for them through Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. This one has sake of say they don't do interview and this interview don't show say these ones where sit down for here, the ones where they give the letter for Uromi and the one where they give the letter for Edo North here, then pass the interview and they fit to take start the training and they go give them shekele money, the one where would say appreciate them on top all the work, the one with them they learn.
This is Edo Jobs graduate apprenticeship internship scheme. This scheme is meant to train people, make sure you gain some skills that will make you to be employed. We call it employability skills. I always like to say that it is not for the money, even though most of us are sitting down here just here because of the money they want to get from it. But it is not for the money. It is for the knowledge and the skills you are going to develop. Most of you are going to be working in places where the course you read is not even what you will be using to work there. That means when you live there, you are living there with that knowledge that you derived from that place that you've worked. And I also say that you all are ambassadors. You are representing the state government, you are representing EDO jobs. When we send you to organizations, we expect you to represent very well.
It's very good. I like am well. E dey good. E go help. The reason why I say e go help be say, they get so many people wey be say they don graduate for years. They dey house, they no dey do anything, and they say the idle mind is the what? Devil's workshop. By the time they go out now, they take them go organization, they go learn something. From there, they fit set up their own after that 6 months. The little thing where government pay them, they go use and set up business. You see some people 10,000 naira, they go open kiosk, start provision market. So me, I really appreciate that. If they will put more effort, like they say we are the pioneer, may God let maybe say they continue, and really since they promise say they will pay us little sweet stipends as transport allowance, they should just do it. It's really encouraging.
And to start with, I believe the governor when bring this kind of internship program, he try very well because some of us first they find the opportunity to showcase what we fair even do for school, but we know they get the opportunity. As it be said, they can't bring and come and do not here. It go better our people. Maybe like say we showcase what we learn from school, then add small thing, join the company when be like say they send us go, so that life go better for all of us.
For the past over how many years now, Edo State don dey face the situation of unemployment, and I think say as they fit bring out this program, it will resolve the issue of unemployment to a very large extent.
Mona no forget say this better informate una the year so the one una don't see on top the job opportunities where Governor Godwin Obaseki administration they put gidigba for the people with the Edo State. Then are through the GIS, then are the Edo graduate internship scheme. This one are to make sure say job ide gidigba for every corner for Edo State. Nati Live Media 9 days Tanda gidigba this Obonge informate they give una. And now they get this Obonge informate, this correct and sharp one on top on our Obonge program inside Edo. My name is Nimat Shaguma.